So hello everyone, Ram Ram Sabhi. So today is 16th of April and a rainy day for Dubai. As you can see, it is all cloudy. काले बादल छा रखे हैं. And today I'm going to show you how it rains in Dubai. It is all covered by waterloggings. Dubai authorities have issued safe guidelines for the citizens not to go outside until it is really necessary. I'm going to show you more clips. And yes, it was a desert 50 years back, but now, like other developed countries, it is having its natural phenomena of sunny day, rainy day, etc. You can see how bad the weather conditions are. Usually it does not rain here, but when it rains really heavy. So the police have issued security guidelines and please follow the rules. Thank you so much. Bye bye.